In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make 3D text effects in Canva. Hi everyone, today I'll show you how to make 3D text effects in Canva. We'll keep it simple and clean so you can recreate this look in just a few minutes, even if you're brand new to Canva. To start, create a design. Click. Create a design and pick any size that suits your project. If you're working on a social post, a standard square is great. For a thumbnail, a wider canvas works better. The size won't change the technique, so choose what fits your goal. Next, add your text. Click Text, then add a heading, and type your word or phrase. Pick a font that matches your style. Bold sans serifs make the 3D effect punchy, while scripts can look playful. Adjust the font size so it's large enough to showcase the effect clearly, and center it on the canvas for easy alignment later. Now duplicate the text. Right-click your text and choose Duplicate. This gives you two identical layers, one for the main color and one for the shadow-like depth. If you prefer shortcuts, you can duplicate with a quick command on your keyboard too. Change the color of the bottom layer. Select the duplicate that sits underneath, click Text Color, and choose a darker shade of your main color. Think of it as the shadow color. Going a couple of shades darker keeps the effect realistic and clean. Offset the bottom text to create depth. With the darker layer selected, drag it slightly down and to the right. Keep the movement subtle. Just a small shift makes the top text pop while staying readable. If you want precision, use the arrow keys to nudge it a few clicks. Group the layers so they move together. Hold Shift, click both text layers, and choose Group. This makes it easy to resize or reposition without losing the 3D alignment. If you want extra depth, you can duplicate the bottom text multiple times and stack those copies behind the original bottom layer, each offset just a touch. This creates a thicker, more dramatic 3D look while keeping everything consistent. When you're happy with the result, download your design. Click Share, then Download, and choose PNG for sharper edges or JPG for a smaller file size. And that's how you make clean 3D text effects in Canva. Quick and easy.